It's passion. Passion about anything. A man becomes creative only when he has passion in his heart. अगर एक बंदा जब तक imagine नहीं कर सकता तब तक कुछ नहीं कर सकता. So storytelling is all about imagination.
Hi everyone, my name is Mala Haldar and it is such an honor to do this podcast with Mr. Naveen Chaudhary, Center Director, MAC Chaurangi, Ultadanga and Rash Bihari. You started with MAC at a time when the creative industry was still evolving. उतना शायद लोगों को नहीं पता. So what made you believe in the creative industry कि इसमें कुछ करते हैं?
Somehow it seemed to me like this is the future. Because we were already into our mobile phones by that time. The whole digital scenario was changing very rapidly. Movies, we were seeing that all these fantabulous VFX. I knew one thing, that the normal education that one receives in this country cannot get him a job.
Right. Some skills.
So some skill is needed.
Right.
And I saw that, yes, it is not as a business opportunity only that I saw this, that I should get into it. Because I was already doing my business and I was pretty happy doing what I was doing. It was the excitement that I could imagine that, yes, this would be something very exciting to get into.
And to train the students.
Yeah, students, absolutely. And this is something which would be good for the, it is here to stay and grow.
Right, absolutely.
And also, like the people I would be interacting with.
So how long you have been associated with MAC?
Well, almost a quarter of a century. 2004 or 5 that I was in Goa.
Okay.
There, this whole process started. In fact, to be honest, I was offered to come in. It was not the other way around. It's not that I went out and said that I want this. He called up to say, why don't you be a part of this? And that got the process, that thinking process started. Because yes, I could definitely, ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता ना कहीं से मिल रहे हैं यार चलो ये भी कर लेते हैं. So mutually something clicked. He thought that yes, I can be a good.
You started with one center, right? So I understand running a single center is challenging, and now you have three centers, three successfully running centers. So is it demanding? How do you cope up with the?
Well, yes. Even teaching one single student
correct.
is supposed to be demanding, because if you understand that demand. If you don't, then it's all right. Like you can have 1,000 students and not feel anything.
And the best part is, I see consistency across all your centers. So that is how do you do that?
Well, it's all team's job. It's nothing that I am doing.
But the guidance comes from you.
The only thing is that my job is to be simple, to take care of my team.
Yeah.
Rest all is their job. So I believe in having the best team in place, and my only contribution can be, number one, taking care of them. Number two, not interfering.
But I still remember, sir, I was at Rash Bihari Center and you actually remembered the names of most of your students. And I was so happy. Like, how do you do that?
Yes, because we were constantly interacting with each other. That was the reason. Because students were coming to me, I was going to the students. It's not that I'm sitting in my chamber and, my students are entering my chamber and I'm entering the lab.
Yes.
We are doing so many activities together.
And I think, sir, MAC का यही एक USP रहा है एलिमनाई. मतलब वो जो पढ़ के, और जैसा आपने बोला कि वो बच्चे थे, आज वो खुद अपने बच्चों के साथ जब आते हैं, I think this is something which is
absolutely
like too satisfying, rewarding rather.
And more than that, एक चीज और होती है ना कि it gives you some indication that you have been able to fulfill. You had committed or you were trying to fulfill. Though you have achieved that aspect of your journey, where student who came into with you and completed his course now is so well placed, doing so well that he is. There are students who are leading so many studios.
24 FPS is it's not an event, it's an emotion for every, for the MAC team.
That is something, which is like rejuvenates us.
Yes.
When this 24 FPS comes, तो थोड़ा बहुत जो कुछ लोग ढीले पड़ जाते हैं जो टीम मेंबर्स में, अचानक उनमें जो है ऐसी गर्मी आ जाती है. It's something like it just keeps us going throughout the year. This 124 FPS, fortunately, they have been giving such wonderful results consistently. So many years they've been winning.
Hmm.
So that is also super
I
satisfying.
can see the trophies kept
Yeah,
outside.
absolutely.
So
And not only 24 FPS, you see FICCI Awards, FICCI Frames, and awards, then
VAM,
VAM
recently,
Awards,
yeah.
and Dada Saheb Phalke Awards, and Chandigarh University Award, Mumbai Film Festival. This came in just a few days back.
Okay.
This Ye Hai Banaras film of Mac
Yeah,
Ulta Danga
yes.
was the only film, a non-commissioned film.
So, sir, there was a time when we used to talk about movies. Now the times have changed. Students talk about OTT channels, Netflix, Amazon Prime, and we have a lot of Mac students who are also working in these OTT
We
channels.
have Mac students working everywhere.
Everywhere, yeah.
And let me tell you, just let me add to this, just Mac CRU students, Mac Charangi, Raj Bihari, and Ulto Dana students. Today, I believe that there might not be a single movie that is released in India,
Where their name is not there
yeah,
in
be
the
it Hollywood
credits.
or Bollywood or Mollywood or Tollywood, whatever, where at the back of it there is CRU, Mac CRU student working. You know, like there's not a single movie without them.
Hmm.
There has to be one student somewhere, you know, might be buried, not displayed on credits. I don't think there can be a greater satisfaction than that.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So it's not only OTT. OTT is a big platform.
platform.
OTT today, we were used to talk about a 90-minute film, a 120-minute film. Today we are having 60-minute, episodes. And how many episodes? We are having 60 episodes, 100 episodes. So the content creation has increased to a level, and the consumption also. The content consumption is, like it's really blown, especially during the COVID time.
COVID times.
Multiple times. So there has to be content creators to create content. So when we have content consumers and the demand of content is increasing, so the demand for content creators is
Will
increasing.
increase, definitely.
And if you add on to this, Mala, an aspect that we at times we overlook is the short reels that people make for the social media. I think if you add that, जितने तेरे तू मूवीज और वेब सीरीज ऐड कर लेगी ना, वो सब पीछे छूट जाएंगे. इतना ज्यादा कंटेंट जो है, यू लीव दैट. अपना जो कंटेंट हर साल क्रिएट होता है 24 FPS में, वी एज मैक we must be having at least 1,000 plus minute content of original content. Every year we have been, like more than 1,000, because every year we were having 30 movies, 20 movies made by the centers. Okay. Each movie 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and it's going on for years. Content is the king. So, and we are the content
Creators.
We are the creators of content creators.
Right. Absolutely. So we are the creators of content creators. Yeah. So you feel industry has changed for good. There are a lot of jobs.
I believe in one thing. Whatever happens for the good.
Good.
Right? That has been my mantra. It might not be visible.
उसी time पे,
but later we
eventually,
realize. So, and change is inevitable. If we try to resist that change, it's foolhardy. You have to adapt. You have to evolve.
So adapt से sir मुझे AI. What is your take on AI? AI है.
AI है नहीं. It is there to, because I've been talking about AI long before it had gained so much of momentum. People were saying, अरे नहीं कुछ नहीं है. मतलब आएगा, रहेगा, बढ़ेगा. ये बढ़ेगा, and it is still going to, influence a lot of our lives. इसका जो influence अपनी जिंदगी पे होगा, ये बहुत बड़ा influence आएगा AI का. Because AI is not only, a simple something that you do to. So,
sir, what advice you would like to give to your younger self? Any regrets you have कि मैंने अगर ये किया होता तो ऐसा होता?
I have given the best of what I could.
Failures जब आते हैं सर घबराते हैं.
It's a part of learning process. पहले किसके नहीं आते?
आप घबराते हैं कैसे? How do you?
घबराना क्या? ठीक है, आया है, you have to accept it. एक कहावत है which बचपन में सुना करते थे, बोला जाता था, वो ना सावन हरे ना भादो सूखे. You don't start jumping if you get something. If you don't get depressed, if you miss out on something, your life is stable. So I try to be that. और बाकी तो such a big journey, सब तरह की चीजें होगी. You have to take your day as it comes.
And मेरा भी अब सर की good deeds, they do pay you back.
Absolutely.
तो कभी ना कभी.
What goes around comes around.
Right.
Absolutely. And that I've seen it multiple times in my life.
So now, sir, we move to the most interesting part, and that's my most favorite part of the podcast, and that is the rapid fire. Okay. One word.
Has to come. Has to be.
Yeah. Okay. So let's bring it on. So one word for Mac.
Well, this is very interesting because I have said this earlier also in a few smaller gatherings. with Mac people. Mac to me, अगर आप Mac का संधि विच्छेद करो,
Masi.
like a mother to us. If you say MAAC, so माँ सी है हमारे लिए. It's
माँ
like
है.
so. There's nothing more that I can say for Mac.
Such an emotional moment. So Mac is one word is mother.
Yes, like माँ सी है. This is in the name.
It is in the name itself.
For
Yeah.
people who feel it, for people who realize it. That's it.
And for us, I think यहाँ से आता है वो,
एकदम
Mac
एकदम.
के लिए.
We are doing what we are doing because of this. इतना ये दिमाग नहीं लगाते.
One word for Aptech.
In the context of Mac, what I said, I can say trying to be a good father.
Classroom study or online education.
Classroom anytime. People who try to justify online, they are missing out a lot in life.
Creativity. One word for creativity, according to you.
It's passion. Passion about anything. A man becomes creative only when he has passion in his heart.
Storytelling.
Storytelling is what I consider storytelling to be is unreasonably a person can think. Unreasonably means how वो हिंदी में कहावत है ना कि जहां ना पहुंचे रवि वहां पहुंचे कवि. तो दैट इज वेरी ट्रू फॉर स्टोरी टेलिंग. अगर एक बंदा जब तक इमेजिन नहीं कर सकता तब तक कुछ नहीं कर सकता. So storytelling is all about imagination.
You are a chai or a coffee person?
I'm totally chai person.
Beaches or mountains?
Both. Winters beaches, summers mountains.
Early riser or a night owl?
Well, I have been a night owl for too long in my life, so now I try to be an early riser.
Okay, so you wrap up all your work in the
Yes, yes, absolutely. Try to have my dinner by 7:38.
All right, good. Biggest inspiration in your life?
It's not one. I am what I am today because of a lot many people around me, lot many influences. Starting with my parents, definitely. I learned the most important lesson of honesty, integrity, and hard work. My father never considered any job to be, small or not doable. So that lesson I learned from him. Whatever circumstances, it might be difficult for that moment, but later on, it's always not to lie. That was one thing, for which is not possible for me to even now name or even some recollect also. And if I take only a few names, that will be not the right thing. Today, as this your podcast, anybody is listening to this, or I would like to thank them through this podcast, and making me what I am today.
And I'm sure, the message will go out to everyone and they will be so proud to see you what you have done today. That was an amazing rapid fire round, sir. What message you would like to give to the budding entrepreneurs, because you are a successful entrepreneur yourself. So budding entrepreneurs and budding creative artists. Just one line.
Entrepreneurs, I do not know how successful I am, because there are so many people so much more successful in whatever terms today's success is counted. For entrepreneurs, only there's one thing: hard work and perseverance.
Budding creative artists, students.
For students, it is keeping in view what we are doing. There are वो तीन चीजें जरूरी है सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए. Practice, practice, practice. So if you don't practice, there's nothing much that can be very creative. You might be very creative, but if you don't practice, you take the best of the singers, say the best of the. They are today. They are where they are is because of the practice, the time, the kind of riyaz they have done, the kind of time that they given for this.
And success doesn't come overnight. So.
Does never. By chance, if it does come overnight for some, it's very short-lived. Very short-lived.
Yes. Thank you so much, sir, for this amazing podcast. You have been amazing with all my questions, and thank you for your patience, time, and it was. We were talking. I really wanted to do this podcast for the longest time, and it just happened.
Thank you for doing this and thinking me good enough to. No, but I do really wish all the very best, everyone, all the students of Mac.